Hi, Sagittarius. Welcome to your reading. This is your reading from July 1 to 15, 2025. So let's take a look at your overall situation kung anong kaganapan sa inyo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Ten of Swords. Okay. Sagittarius, makinig ang lahat. Okay. So you do have the Ten of Swords in the first week of July 2025. So the Ten of Swords indicates a painful ending. I sense something. There's a betrayal going on. Maybe in the last month or a few months ago. Maybe with your lover, they cheated on you and you are hurting so bad. So, parang nasa-sense ko na if we're going to talk about love life, so yun ang nasa-sense ko. Parang you feel betrayed at parang naubos lang yung oras mo, naubos lang yung panahon mo to think na yung tao na minahal mo ay parang trinaydor kayo or pinagpalit kayo sa iba. You feel hurt. Parang ang painful naman ang nararamdaman mo, Sagittarius. Aside sa love life, kayo na bahala kung saan kayo makaka-relate. If you're single, maybe there's some situation going on sa inyong career last month or past few months and there's been an ending. Parang down kayo. Parang ganun yung nasa-sense ko sa inyong Sagittarius sa pagpasok ng July. Kasi you feel betrayed, you feel hurt, you have this pain, dala-dala nyo pa rin at hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on dahil sa nangyari. Ganun. So, maybe the second week, you do have the Chariot. So, nag-feel ko na unti-unti nyong matatanggap kung ano man yung nangyayari sa past. Parang unti-unti na kayo mag-move on, unti-unti na ma-accept. Kita nyo yung first name, unti-unti nyo ma-accept yung nangyari at mapag-iisipan kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. So, the Chariot is also indicates a strong commitment, maybe to yourself. Maybe you're going to decide to love yourself first if you were hurt before. And this means moving forward. You are ready to move on. And you are doing it for yourself para mas maging strong pa kayo. Kasi alam niyo naman tayong mga tao, di ba? If galing tayo sa baba, nasaktan tayo ng gusto, parang dinidibdib talaga natin yun sa mga unang weeks or unang buwan, pero after mga ilang weeks siguro or buwan, depende rin sa taong And unti-unti rin naghihilom yung mga sugat natin. 'Di ba? Sagittarius. So, at the end of the week, July 15, you do have the Knight of Swords, which indicates um, ambition. You are charging ahead to your ambition. So I think this coming July 1 to 15, nasasaktan pa kayo, but you are preparing to move forward, to left behind all this bad situation, bad energy, and you're going to accept your fate na the past is past at hindi na kakailangan mababago, and you are focusing to yourself, focus on your self-love, focus on your career, financial situation, and you are ready to be ambition. Parang you are very ready na para sa susunod na hamon ng buhay. Parang nababasa ko sa inyo, Sagittarius. So I have here the Mystic Forest Oracle cards to guide you on your daily life situation. So Angel, what's your guidance for Sagittarius this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Okay. Pursue happiness. Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sagittarius, makinig. So, never apologize for what brings you joy. Only you understand where you truly belong and where you can find your safe space. Follow your bliss. So, yun na nga. Huwag kang makakalimot, Sagittarius, na there are other people out there who support you, maybe your friends and families. I know you are hurting right now, but the universe is telling you to just pursue happiness, because at the end of the day, you're going to survive. You're going to win this situation. Hayaan mo na yung mga tao na nakit sa inyo, and you have to pursue your dreams, your ambition in life, because you are beautiful, you are powerful, and you can do whatever you want. Okay, Sagittarius? So that's your reading. Thank you for watching, and I hope you come back for the next reading. Bye!